We are going to New York, New York, New York. Is that how you sing that song?
Jay-Z's version?
No, Frank Sinatra.
I don't know.
New York.
Before my time.
So excited. We're gonna get a little grown-up weekend and hopefully I'll get some sleep. Why is every video when we travel, all I wish for is to get some sleep?
It would be a lot more cost-effective if we just got a hotel in Toronto and you slept there.
Concrete jungle. Was it not the worst flight of life?
Honestly, I don't know what happened on that flight, but I'm gonna file a serious complaint.
I thought we were never gonna make it. Oh my god, Gary got so green. It was really bumpy.
I had the barf bag ready to go.
All the kids around us were barfing, by the way. I don't know if
I've never been on a flight like that in my whole life. I don't know what happened.
It's really scary, but every time I feel like something wrong, I go to such a dark place in my head. Like I already think it's like a terror attack. I can't. It's not good for me. Next time we'll take the bus to New York.
Yeah, of course.
So we had a lunch meeting.
Yes.
And now look at us. We're like walking logos.
This is not a sponsored video.
And now we're going to...
We're going shopping. We're gonna go walk the streets of Manhattan and do some shopping. Very exciting stuff.
It's really cold outside, so I'm not sure what you're thinking of with this
I'm thinking we're taking an Uber.
You want to hear our itinerary?
Yeah, do we have an itinerary?
Yeah. So now we're gonna go to where you wanna go. But then tomorrow we're gonna have brunch. And then we're gonna go to the Guggenheim.
Guggenheim?
To the museum.
Oh, museums are fun.
And then we're gonna go to Soho to have lunch. And then we are going to walk around there. There's some galleries there where Nolita is. Then maybe we'll come back to the hotel and we'll go to the spa, and then we'll have dinner, and then we'll go to Sleep No More.
Sleep No More?
Yeah.
What's Sleep No More?
It's this thing. I told you about it. It's like an interactive theater thing.
I don't think I was paying attention.
It's great. Okay, so we're gonna dress up and go there.
Dress up?
Yeah, and there's some...
I can wear my black sweatpants.
They sent me like a text that we have to memorize. It's really short, but it's like...
Huh? But it's like... Huh?
It's
I have to memorize stuff?
It's
Why?
the big part because it's this interactive theater experience.
Okay, cool. Are we... Okay. Alright, well, I'm sure it'll be loads of fun. Yay! Interactive theater.
Babe, we can come to New York and just walk around shops.
Look, it's the Russian tea room. Will they let us in there for free because we speak Russian?
No, they'll charge you more.
Oh, man. Yeah, they will. Oh, you speak Russian too?
No.
It's Spanish.
He just knows.
Has a little touch of that.
Can you decide where we're going?
Yeah.
Are you excited for our Indian experience?
Are Indian? We're in New York.
I know, but this is like the best Indian food right now. In New York.
Yeah, I'm excited about it. I think it's awesome. Why don't you show the place a little?
I don't wanna get consent from people. You're the main attraction.
I don't want to eat anymore.
Oh my god, I'm so full. Oh! Oh, you hurt me. What time is it?
8 o'clock.
Don't judge me. Are you judging me?
Well, I'm in bed too, so...
This is the best thing ever.
On vacation, in bed at 8 o'clock. Very, very nice.
That's the definition of vacation right there.
I understand. It's funny, marrying somebody younger, I thought, oh man, I have another decade of partying before you calm down. It's the complete opposite.
That's the reason why I'll stay young forever.
When you're going to be in your 40s, and will you have a midlife crisis and then
Yeah,
force me to party when I'll be like, how old?
Old enough.
Yeah.
You know what? I think I'll just do like girls' weekends and like I'll come to New York and just like be all over the place clubbing here with all the 20-year-olds.
Sure, babe.
But until then, it's time to rest. I'm gearing up for my 40th when I'll be clubbing. How old will the boys be?
When you're gonna be how old? 40?
40.
When you're 40, the boys will be, Jake will be 19 and Ben will be 17.
That's what I'm talking about.
You'll be partying together, but they have to be 21 in the States.
It's okay. I'll get them in. I know people in New York.
All right.
I know people, okay?
Mm-hmm.
I know them.
Sure, babe.
Okay, let's watch a movie. I ordered some tea with some honey.
Valeria Lipovetsky, the most boring YouTuber ever. Come and watch her. In bed by 8 o'clock.
Hey, tomorrow I have a crazy itinerary for you, okay?
What itinerary do you have?
We're going to the museum. We're going to an interactive theater show.
You're gonna be sleeping at 10 after 8. You're gonna be up at 5 a.m. tapping
Yeah,
me on
and
the
I'll
shoulder.
exercise.
Where are you gonna exercise?
Here.
Here on the floor?
Yeah, I'll do a little exercise and then I'll have time to get ready.
So, what do you want to talk about?
Nothing, that's it, enough. No one wants to hear us talk so much. Okay, bye guys.
See you later.
Tea? Party time. Whoop whoop. Hey, where's the tea?
Ooh, it's bright.
It's our second day in New York and we're just gonna have some breakfast with this beautiful view. Then we're gonna go to the museum to give Gary a cultural experience.
We're going to the Guggenheim.
And yeah, it's gonna be a nice day. It's supposed to be really sunny today. It's already sunny. It's gonna be warm.
It's not going to be warm. Why did you tell me to wear sunscreen this morning? It's 4 degrees. It's almost freezing temperature
Because
here.
it's very sunny. You
Look
know,
at my hat.
You get UV rays even when it's cold outside. Did you know that?
I know
Fun
you
fact.
do, but
I'm just trying to keep you looking fly.
I'm good in that department. All right. Are we going to check out? You can see Central Park from here. Are we going to check it out?
No, it's too cold. So I'm taking Gary to Whole Foods because I need to get vitamin C.
I don't like it.
Fun fact about Gary, he's actually gets like anxiety every time he's in a supermarket or anything like that. How many times in your life have you gone grocery shopping? Okay, apparently it's against the law to film at Whole Foods. How many times have you gone to grocery stores in your life?
10 times?
Your whole life?
Yeah.
Why are you so scared of them?
I don't know. They just seem so inefficient and they smell funny and the people are strange and not friendly and I just get anxiety.
People go to get food.
I know, but
It's not a coffee
better
shop.
ways to do it. Okay, that statue is offensive.
Anyways, that was fun. I feel like we're really facing all your fears this trip.
I just don't like. I don't like grocery stores or sharks. So
That's grocery stores and sharks.
it's
You
sharks.
also don't like sand. You don't like sunscreen.
I'm okay with sand. I don't like sunscreen.
Okay, let's put our supplements in the hotel room and go to the Guggenheim.
Yay.
Look how pretty
This is prettier.
this is. Babe, this is not part of the exhibition.
It is. This is. There was a chair over there. There was art. This is also.
No.
Look. Look at the detail. Look at the detail, babe. So nice.
Babe, just pretend you enjoyed this right now.
I am enjoying it. It's from the Mesozoic period of art.
What are you talking about?
It's called Documents in Frames.
This is marriage and divorce of his friends.
Oh, so nice.
Stop having so much fun.
I'm okay.
You have fun?
So much fun.
At least you're not walking around outside when it's like freezing cold.
Can we have sushi for dinner?
For dinner?
Yeah.
That was literally the cutest thing ever.
Yeah, it was really nice.
Oh my god. She was crying.
She was so sweet.
Oh, I'm so excited. Best night ever. Babe, she's really smart and he doesn't even know it. He's so smart. You show him, Elwood. New York City, day 3.
Broadway?
Yeah. We are on our way to our traditional Sunday dim sum in New York. And we are flying out today. We already checked out and put our bags in our airport attire. But we're gonna take advantage. We have a few hours before we go on the plane. So we'll go crazy. We'll go crazy with our plans. Okay guys, we made the mistake of Googling best what is it, dim sum in New York, and we got here and this is the lineup. Gary's really excited. Yeah, so this is we're number 40. I think he's on number 30. I'm staying hopeful. Moral of the story, never Google top restaurants and go to them. We made it into a different one, but we made it. A real authentic experience. We did it! We did it! We had dim sum in New York. Okay, it was too cold outside and we decided to stop and eat some cannolis. Gary saw that it said on the door, King of Cannolis, so we thought this would be a good place to start.
You would think so. Look, there's a huge cannoli right there.
Oh, I see. Yay, cannolis. I feel like we're on a food tour. We're just in Chinatown eating dim sum and now we're in Italy, Little Italy, eating cannolis. So adventurous. Oh, and I lost my sunglasses. It's the cat eye that I like. Okay, that's why I buy them cheap, because I lose them. Gary's talking to his best friend from India. Hi, PK!
Okay, you're gonna be in our New York vlog.
Twins, you guys are twins.
Look, see how we look alike?
Yeah, twins. I escaped Gary to do some walking and shopping on my own because he doesn't want to go to any galleries or anything. I need to come back here by myself. I have a best time by myself. Love you, babe. Sorry.
Love me, girl. I want your love.
Woo! The end. I'm tired. What are you doing?
I'm emailing my friend Ricky.